In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can do facade takeoffs from elevation drawing PDF drawings. So I've already ran this set of drawings through the processing, and you'll see on the left that our software has taken off different areas and lengths from these PDFs. And the thing with Civils.ai is that each one of the measurements that we make actually is linked to annotations on the drawing. So whenever a measurement's taken, you'll see here for each one of the areas we've measured off, for each one of these finishing details, it's also linked to a annotation. So we can measure off lengths, areas, and counts of objects, and all of them are linked to different annotations on the drawing. So we can read both metric and imperial. So you'll see here feet, and we auto scale the drawing. So we use either as a priority a dimension from the drawing, or from, if there's no dimensions given, the scale that's actually written on the drawing. We can, so with this, the prompt was measure and categorize the facade on page 42 and 43. So the 65 drawings inside this set. And each one of those we read off according to the label that's given. So these different codes, like M02, for example, M03, you see how we read that off according to whichever labels associated. And then we cross-reference that to the schedules to get the description. So once the processing's finished, you can download this as an Excel file or the annotated PDF. And if there are any comments that you have on this, let's say you also want us to do, window sizes, window opening sizes, something like that, then you can also add that as well. So you can say add the window opening sizes, and then click submit, and then this will update the quantities. It will start reprocessing or update these quantities and add more annotations to the PDF. We also have this concept of this preferences memory, which is your measuring standards, which apply across not just on this takeoff, but across all the takeoffs that you do. So that saves you some time needing to type in very detailed prompts each time. This can be applied across all the drawings. And I wanted to show you as well how you actually generate this. So this is the finished result, but on Civils.ai, the way you create that result is you click this add project. So you create different projects, and then within this project, I click this extract quantities from CAD button. I drag and drop the PDF drawing set, and then I type in my prompt. So I can type in here, measure, facade, areas, and categorize. And then I could call this like facade takeoff. And then I just click run, and then the processing starts. And then once it's completed, we'll send you an email. And then also you can go away and do anything else while it's processing. And then you can click complete. Once this turns completed, you can click to open up the results of the takeoff.